Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need actionable prereqs now. Verify your iPhone supports eSIM and update iOS. Keep the carrier QR or activation code at hand and sign into Wi-Fi so activation can proceed. Open Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan. This begins scanning or manual input. Once done, scan the QR or enter the code from your carrier app. If using an app, follow its prompts to install the plan. Make sure your primary line remains active while you add the ESI. Once the plan installs, you'll configure how it behaves. Tap the new plan in Settings Cellular, then label it. This helps you quickly pick the right line. Choose your default line for voice, SMS, and cellular data. You can use one line for data and the other for calls. Make sure to enable data roaming only if you need it. Then, set which line iMessage and FaceTime use. If you plan to use dual SIM for calls, check call forwarding and mobile data switching settings. This prevents missed calls. Finish by testing voice, messages, and data on both lines. Place a call and send a text to confirm. If the eSIM won't activate, retry scanning the QR or manually enter the activation code and make sure Wi-Fi is stable. Once done, restart the iPhone. That often clears provisioning hiccups. If problems continue, contact your carrier for provisioning details. As a last resort, reset network settings after backing up. This can fix stubborn network conflicts, but will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords and VPN profiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.